There are multiple ways of accessing resources in the cloud. Azure Portal is just one of the methods. Azure Portal will let you build, manage, and monitor everything using a simple web interface. You can access and manage complex applications with a single unified console. With Azure Portal, you can also search for resources, services, and documents, manage all the resources in your Azure Portal, create customized dashboards so that you can access your frequently accessed resources quickly. You can put them in your favorites. You can also access Cloud Shell and then manage, maintain your resources quickly using Cloud Shell commands. You can receive notifications when resources are published or modified. You have direct access to the documentation right from the Azure portal. So your Azure portal is a one-stop shop for you to manage your resources, services, documents, and look around the monitoring aspect of your resources.